While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Yoga Awakening. Let's begin. Gentle wake-up stand. Stand tall. Awaken the body softly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Morning breath reach. Reach arms up with a breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Soft sunrise fold. Stand tall, then gently fold forward as you exhale, like greeting the rising sun. Keep the movement soft and calm, breathing slowly. Light shoulder opening. Open your arms gently and lift the chest. Breathe slowly, letting the shoulders soften and release. Side stretch awakening. Reach one arm up and stretch to the side, waking the body gently. Breathe slowly and smoothly. Flowing morning twist. Twist gently from side to side, following the rhythm of your breath. Let the movement feel smooth and awakening. Find steady balance with relaxed focus. Breathe slowly, feeling calm energy rise. Open chest rise. Lift the chest and open the heart as you inhale. Exhale slowly, staying grounded and calm. Gentle morning lunge. Step into a soft lunge, lifting the chest slightly. Breathe slowly, feeling ease and wakefulness. Soft cat awakening. Round and lengthen the spine gently, moving with your breath. Let the body wake up slowly and smoothly. Seated breath lift. Sit tall, inhale deeply, lifting the chest and arms slightly. Exhale slowly, grounding with calm awareness. Light hip opener. Gently open the hips, keeping the spine tall and relaxed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling ease. Awakening rest pose. Lie or sit comfortably, breathing slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale gently, feeling the body